Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.1, Problem 13. This is Section 4.1, Problem 13. It says determine whether or not the given proportion is a true proportion. And we have 6 over 7 equals 9 over 10. So if that's a true proportion, if I multiply one way, 6 times 10, get the answer, it should be equal to multiplying the other way, 9 times 7. And when you do the multiplication, I said 7, I didn't write it, 9 times 7, that's 63. And the other side, 6 times 10 is 60. Well, those are not equal. 63 does not equal 60. So this is not a true proportion.